Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Create Your Own Cozy. My kids are back in school. I love them, don't get me wrong, but the summer shenanigans and crazy trips to Texas, etc. are done, and it's time to get back in a school routine. My youngest turned 7, and for her birthday, I am redoing her room. It's gonna take a hot minute before I can get there, but today I went thrift store shopping in my basement, which means I got them all at thrift stores and have been hoarding them. So I kind of went through and took a selection of things that I could possibly use for her room. I'm gonna upcycle them either way, and if I can use them for her room, great. The first thing that I'm going to upcycle is this thing. I feel like I paid like 50 cents for it because it was really, I feel like I paid 50 cents for this. So my idea is to cover up this cardigan and to cover up the dates. And she really likes to collect little figurines. So this is a nice way to be able to store this in her room and go with everything. So my plan is white. You're gonna hear a lot of that today. This little canister was $3, but it was half off, so $1.50. It's kind of heavy. It's a gold undertone, and what I'm gonna do is paint this white and rub back so the gold comes through. Her metallic color in her room is already gold, so I'm going for like this pink, vintage, antique. Pink walls is what she wants, so white and gold are kind of my accent colors. That's the plan. I got this for 25 cents at a thrift store. I'm just gonna clean it up and use it somewhere. The kitchen was half off this day, so these were $1, which meant I paid 50 cents a piece for these. My plan is to take this silver and turn it and paint it gold. Don't know how just yet. And then put little legs so she can have things to collect. You're gonna see a theme here. I want her to try to organize in a cute way. It's a mom theme, I think. Then this guy, my sister was gonna get rid of. So I took it home with me. going to paint it white. My girls like to collect these little, we call them big-eyed stuffies. I don't know if that's what they really are. But my idea was to paint this white and have a cute way to display her little collection in her room. This was $5.99 at the Goodwill. It has gold accents already. So I'm going to paint it white, and I'm probably going to put some of the transfers that I've used on a couple things that I've redone for her room already, just so she can hide things, or if we do a quick cleanup, this is where they go. And anything that doesn't fit in here, that's a plan. And then this last thing I've had for a while. I got this at an antique mall one time. I want to say I paid $13 for both of them. I may have paid more, but let's just say $13. So it needs to be cleaned up desperately, and these nails that I just got myself with need to come out. But I was gonna do some type of a wall, either like over the door wall thing, or it could be cool to make some type of a shelf and just put the shelf on the top and have this be decorative underneath. I don't know yet, and I don't even know if I'll use them in her room, but figured let's just go ahead and get them done. That way when I'm putting the room together, if this works, it's already done. So that is my thrift haul from the basement, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite transformation was. And thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you would hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know my plan is to do a thrift flip every Thursday at 5 p.m. That's my plan. And if I work on anything else, such as furniture or extra projects, which I am gonna do, I'm gonna try to make that an extra video, but keep to my once a week thrift flips. So thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next week. Bye.